Hi, Chefies! So, welcome to the third episode of our Bacolod food crawl, Laps Lakwacha. So, for day 3, we overslept. Parang nagising kami 9:30, almost 10. So, we decided na lang to check out at 12 and then leave our bags and have lunch at VNW, which stands for Victoria and William. So, before that, let's do the room tour. Okay, so we got this at Agoda. With taxes and everything, lumalabas 2,500 something per night. Nung una, it was 2 single beds. Then, when we checked in, we were upgraded to 2 double beds. So, pabor yun kasi malalaki kami. Okay naman siya. Basic. And it's the first time na we booked or I booked a hotel through Agoda na legit na smart TV ang nakakabit. Okay, so let's go straight to the boo-boos of the room. First things first, CR, it's okay. Pero I didn't understand the grout dun sa tiles. Bakit siya mas lubog kesa dun sa tile? Para it's more prone na dikitan ng dumi and mas mahirap linisin. Another thing is we're not sure if yung water system nila, especially dun sa toilet, is deep well. Kasi when you flush, hindi malinis or hindi clear na tubig yung pumapalit doon sa toilet. So when you pee, it's not yellow. When you poop, wala na yung poop. Kaya lang, may certain labo yung tubig. And then if you look at the bowl itself, yung paligid niya, may stain. So it might be yung minerals ng water or yung kung ano man meron dun sa tubig kaya nagmamantsa. May bidet. So for the majority, favorable yon. Shower was a little weak. Mas hindi ganun kalakas yung pressure ng tubig. I like the layout. For a small space, parang they were able to make it na maluwag. Okay. Sa actual room, okay naman din. Ate didn't like the bed. I think it's medyo baka luma na yung kutsyon kasi meron ng mga lubog na parts. Even if tina-turn siya, alam ko every 6 months the cushion is turned. Meron talagang lubog. Pillow, not that comfy for her, pero for me, okay naman ako dun sa pillow. Yun yung parang yung fiber fill nag-clump up na. Siguro nung nilaban or what. Yun. And walang personal ref. So, the water that we bought, soft drinks, ganyan, hindi namin napalamig. So, yun lang naman yung problem. Staff was accommodating. It's medyo kompleto yung hotel na to for a small. I would consider it maybe a boutique hotel. May swimming pool, may bar, cafe/restaurant, lobby. Merong spa, pero the spa, if I'm not mistaken, moved out a few blocks away. Doon na sila lumipat. And then they were giving out vouchers. So meron 100 peso voucher. I think they just opened February 20 ba yun? So si ate tried, I don't know kung ano yung specific niya kinuha, hindi ko matandaan, pero sabi niya okay naman daw. Yun. Yeah, so we checked out and then took a grab, went to this place called The Row. Now, itsura ng The Row may pagka Vertis North. It's like yung may parang quadrangle in the middle na garden, na outdoor seating, ganyan. Then the restaurants, establishments are on the sides. Up and down, 2 floors. So VNF is there. Yun yung parang current space nila. Kasi their original space, it was like a block away from our hotel along Lacson, number 13 ba yun? Currently in renovation siya. So galing ruins, yesterday, dapat pupunta kami diretso ng VNF for snacks. Pero when we got there, may karatula nakalagay na closed for renovations and that we can go to their other store, other branch sa the road beside or behind Citadines Hotel. So when we got there, tumawag muna kami kasi parang for reservations ba or something. So just to make sure, I called and then did a reservation parang less than an hour before. And then nag-confirm naman sila. So when we got there a little early, sinabi ko 1 p.m. We were there parang 12:20. And then buti na lang may table na. So we sat and ordered. Okay yung menu. It's very homey, very warm. Menu is, I would say, contemporary. Kasi may classics, may versions, may breads. So it's like parang wildflower na scaled down to like a Mary Grace na nag-uumpisa sila. Contis, ganyan, and was it yung sa Vertis North Catherine's, basta parang ganon. I like it na it's a family business, or a very well-run family business. Branding is on point, the identity is there. Merong mural, may accent wall siya na may mural na parang yung sugarcane plantation na parang it's giving scenery of Bacolod. Yeah, I like it. Maganda. Food was good. Quality is also good. Serving size. Service, very good. I can't remember the server's name, pero okay talaga siya. We just noticed, it was ate who noticed na parang, isn't it not normal, I mean, in Bacolod or Bacolod City, or I don't know, it's a culture thing ba na people don't say thank you that much, even with small things. When they serve you water or when they serve your food, we make it a point to say thank you, ganyan. Pero you can see it in his face and in the other server's face when they served our food na parang may gulat factor na nag-thank you sila. It made them smile and you know it's genuine. I don't know. Is it maybe a common thing for the elite not to say thank you or not even acknowledge of the service? Is it a sense of entitlement? I don't know. Napansin lang namin. So yun. And then there was this table near the counter, or separating the counter from the dining area. Maya naglatag na ng boxes and boxes of, we didn't know, definitely they're pastries. So, hindi namin alam kung for display lang or it's for sale. Turns out, for sale. So, the big boxes were ensaymada. Dalawang klase yung ensaymada nila. They have the classic, yung may grated cheese on top. And then, meron din sila yung with queso de bola. And then, the smaller boxes naman are cheese rolls. So, we ordered tig 1 box kami ni ate ng ensaymada na queso de bola and 1 box each also of cheese roll pang pasalubong. And then yun. So let's go to the food. Ako ay ordered pastrami sandwich, fish and chips. Now their fish and chips, they use lapu-lapu. That's good, quesadori. I think it was 400 something ba? Isang plate. Okay siya. I'm good for the serving. With the price, quality, service, ambience. Isa our bill was 2,700 something. Okay siya. No complaints. And then ate ordered cheeseburger. Was it a cheeseburger or burger something? So it had fries, same as my fish and chips. Yung burger niya had fries. And then the burger, she also ordered chicken ala kiev. So para siyang cordon bleu na instead of ham and cheese sa loob, it's herb butter inside. Then may bed of mashed potato and rice. And then, syempre, hindi pwede walang Coke Zero. And then, for dessert, dahil medyo failed nga si Felicia's, so kailangan ng redemption sa dessert. We ordered carrot walnut cake, a chocolate cake, and what's the other one? Apple pie. Okay, so I love apple pie. So every time may opportunity na makatikim ng apple pie, kailangan umorder. So I did. The burger was good. Ate liked it. I did not. Just because para sa akin, the patty was a little not overcooked. Kasi juicy in loob. It wasn't medium or medium well or medium rare. Kasi sobrang crusted yung labas. It's giving smash burger na hindi smashed. If that makes sense. So texture ng smash burger sa labas, juicy in loob, pero it was still yung thick. So that might be their style. Then take it as it is, di ba? With the condiments and everything, yung lahat ng kasama ng burger, it's good. Their fries is also good from scratch, hindi yung store-bought na frozen, ganyan, no? The alakiev was good. Maybe a little improvement ng konti. Ako, I wanted the chicken a little thicker. Parang masyado ko naninipisan dun sa chicken fillet. And then, nung kinat, nag-ooze out yung melted butter. Ang laki nung space sa loob na hollow. Parang if the butter was solid, it was as big as a big marshmallow. So, can you imagine yung butas sa loob? Yun. Pero masarap siya. Fish and chips was good. I like the sauce. Yung dipping sauce. It was like a ranch in a way. Medyo maalat. Napansin ko, well, ate also noticed, parang medyo heavy on the seasoning. Yun lang yung negative dun sa food. It was a little heavy on the seasoning, on the salt, I guess. Pwede siguro yun bawasan ng konti kasi the customer can add salt naman if they want. Yun. Would I wish for VNF or Victoria and William to come to Manila and have a branch here? Hindi na. Not because ayoko silang lumaki, pero I think it's gonna be a tough competition moving to Manila or having a branch here. concentrate na lang sila sa Bacolod, maybe other Visayas regions pa. Oo, it's like me gatekeeping it kasi it's Bacolod's gem ang Victoria and William for me. It's one of the restaurants na kailangan puntahan when you're in Bacolod. Para sa akin experience, food, quality, value for money. I wouldn't say status. That didn't sound right. Pero when you're there kasi, saucy Saucy, class. Basta, it's worth the spend. I wouldn't say splurging, but it's worth the spend for Victoria and William. So yun, we got there around 12:20. We left parang almost 2 or 2 na. So yeah, we got Grab. It was a rainy day. It had been raining since day 2. Pero day 2 medyo ambon araw. Pero day 3 was medyo rain na talaga. So after VNW, we went back to the hotel, stayed at the studio cafe, as we planned. So, kill time lang, ganyan. And then we left at around almost 4:40. Sabi ng cousin namin, si Brian, who lives in Bacolod but who wasn't there, he was in Baguio at that time. Okay lang daw na hindi kami na mag-heavy kain before going to the airport kasi marami daw kainan sa airport. Even pasalubong, marami sa airport. There's bongbongs there, there's Mercies there. May inasalan doon na if you want to buy frozen to bring it home, kung saan ka man umuwi, Manila or some other province, you can buy it there frozen. Yun, so hindi ka magugutom doon sa airport. Yun, so wala, we just killed time. And then, on time naman yung boarding. Take off was, around the same time. Pero mabilis it was less than an hour and think umuulan pa. Medyo turbulent, medyo expected naman yun. Pero okay. One of the smoothest takeoffs and smoothest landings. Na-pilot yata was a foreigner. Parang. Yung landing kasi when we got there, it's super rough Ito, smooth take-off and landing. So, yun. Enjoy. Was 3 days bitten for Bacolod? Definitely. Ate nga wanted 4 Kasi parang feeling niya masyado na compress and we didn't have time to go to other places. Pero that always gives you reason to come back and explore more. Yun. So, that's it, I guess, for our Bacolod Laps Lakwatsa food crawl. I have already been checking for other establishments and food to taste and try. Sana more pasyal, pero sana with a bigger group na. If it would be with ate again, kasama pa yung other cousins ko sana. And if my sister can make it. Yun. So, thank you for joining us sa Bacolod Food Crawl, Laps Lakwatsa. We're planning Iloilo, Dumaguete, Siquijor, Ilocos. Ilocos region So, this is Norte and Sur. Yun. So, hope to see you guys. Join us again next time. We'll give updates. So, thank you very much. This is the Chefy Show. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.